Hello guys, welcome back to Ricky's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make minced potatoes chop known as cutlets. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. You will need 1 kg of potatoes. Peel and cut them into small pieces and add some salt and water and let them cook till soft. Meanwhile, while the potatoes are cooking, you'll cook your mincemeat. In a pan, add half a kg of mincemeat, followed by 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, black pepper about half a teaspoon, a bit of salt, 1 magi cube, and squeeze 1 lemon, and mix everything well and cover it to let it cook till the mincemeat is well cooked. When the meat is almost dry, add 1 large sliced onion which has been cut into small pieces like this, and cook the onion till the meat is completely dry. And when the mincemeat is ready, put it in a bowl. Once the potatoes are well cooked, remove the water and put them in a bowl, and mash the potatoes till soft. Then add a bit of coriander leaves and squeeze half a lemon and mix everything well. Then afterwards, you'll shape the cutlets. Take a bit of the potatoes and spread them flat on your hands as you can see in the video. Then take a bit of mincemeat, not much cause you won't be able to make a ball. Then cover it to make a round ball and continue with the rest. Once you're done shaping the cutlets, apply some breadcrumbs to make them stick well, and your cutlets are ready to be fried in the oil. You will need 2 eggs to fry the cutlets. Whisk the eggs and dip the cutlets in the eggs, and then fry them in the oil. Make sure the oil is hot before putting them in, or else they'll break. Dip them slowly in the oil cause they're so slippery because of the eggs. Let them cook for about 1 to 2 minutes and turn them slowly to bake on the other side, and when ready, remove them and place them on a plate with a tissue on top so that the oil gets into the tissue. And your delicious cutlets are ready. Look how amazing they look, and enjoy the cutlets with some sauce. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make these types of potatoes chops, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.